In Africa's silent rivers lives one of the world's most dangerous giants. Yet every single day, its survival depends on a bird no bigger than your hand. Its skin looks almost indestructible, but hidden inside every wrinkle are tiny parasites feeding on the giant's blood. For the tiny oxpecker, these parasites are breakfast. For the hippo, every tick removed means less pain and a lower risk of infection. The giant doesn't chase them away. Instead, it allows the birds to search every inch of its body, creating one of nature's most remarkable partnerships. Even while helping its tiny companions, the hippo never forgets that this river is its kingdom, and every visitor must respect its space. Beneath the calm surface, another giant watches every movement. The Nile crocodile is patient, and patience is its greatest weapon. Beneath the calm surface, another giant watches every movement. The Nile crocodile is patient, and patience is its greatest weapon. Yet the oxpeckers show no fear. From the safety of their 3-ton companion, they continue their work without hesitation. The hippo isn't protecting the birds on purpose, but its massive body creates a safe island in one of Africa's most dangerous rivers. The birds do more than remove parasites. They also clean dead tissue from small wounds, helping reduce the chance of dangerous infections. One careless step is enough. The hippo doesn't need to attack. Sometimes a single warning is all it takes to remind every animal whose river this truly is. But not every animal welcomes these tiny cleaners. Along the riverbank, another group arrives, curious, nervous, and completely unaware of the danger ahead. The warning is enough. No fight, no chase. Just a reminder that every animal knows the power of an adult hippo. Only moments later, life returns to normal. The tiny cleaners waste no time getting back to work. The crocodile keeps its distance. Even one of Africa's greatest predators knows better than to challenge a healthy adult hippo. Weighing more than 3 tons, the hippo is built for life in the river. But even giants cannot remove parasites from their own backs. The birds receive a steady source of food. The hippo gains cleaner skin and fewer parasites. In nature, both sides benefit, and that makes this partnership remarkably successful. As the African morning grows hotter, the river settles into silence. But the day, and this extraordinary partnership, is far from over. As the African sun reaches its peak, the river becomes the hippo's refuge. Cool water protects its sensitive skin from the scorching heat. The oxpeckers notice changes long before the giant does. Their sharp eyes and constant vigilance often provide the first warning that something nearby has changed. The river belongs to many hippos. Every newcomer is carefully watched, because sharing territory is never simple. Most conflicts end before they begin. A simple change of direction saves both giants from wasting precious energy. Around a single hippo, an entire ecosystem thrives. Every creature plays a role, no matter how large or how small. For another day, the tiny birds have done their work, and the giant has quietly accepted their help, proving that in nature, even the strongest sometimes depend on the smallest. As the day begins to fade, the partnership continues. Neither the giant nor the tiny birds waste the final hours of daylight. For the oxpeckers, every last parasite is another meal. For the hippo, every tick removed is one less burden to carry. Around them, the river never rests. Every ripple, every wing beat, and every call is part of a living world connected in ways we rarely notice. Trust is rare in the wild, yet this giant allows creatures weighing only a few grams to walk freely across its body. Neither animal commands the other. Their partnership survives because both gain something valuable, and nature rewards that balance. As another African day comes to an end, one unlikely partnership has quietly shaped the survival of both giant and bird. But the story isn't over yet. As daylight fades, the river becomes calm once again. Another day of survival has come to an end. Before night arrives, the tiny birds complete one final inspection, leaving their giant companion cleaner than they found him. The giant disappears beneath the water, where the river will protect him through the night. In nature, strength alone is never enough. Survival often depends on the smallest partnerships, built on trust, balance, and time.